Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert letterhead only from the second page in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to insert letterhead from the second page only. Go to the second page, then click right button on our mouse and select insert section, then go to the next page and apply the same process. Then go to the first page, then click right button on our mouse and select the master pages option and select none. Then go to the last section, press shift on our keyboard to select the multiple page, then click right button on our mouse and go to the master pages option, select none. Then go to the second page and we can see we insert letterhead only from the second page very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.